In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Brevo, step-by-step tutorial. Tags help you organize and report on your marketing efforts by grouping related campaigns so you can quickly filter results and understand performance at a glance. I'll walk you through where to find the tag option inside a campaign and what to expect if it's not available on your plan. First, sign into your Brevo account and head to the main dashboard. From the left-hand menu, open the marketing area. This is where you'll create and manage your outbound communications. Next, go to Campaigns to view your existing campaigns and the controls for creating new ones. To get started, click Create Campaign. Brevo will ask you to choose what kind of campaign you want to make. Select the standard email campaign option to proceed. You'll be prompted to name your campaign, so type in a clear, descriptive name that will make it easy to find later. Names like Spring Promo, VIP Segment, or New Feature Update, April work well. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Create Campaign to open the setup screen for this campaign. Inside the newly created campaign, look for the Settings area and choose Edit Settings. This is where the organizational fields and tracking options live. In the Settings view, find the Advanced or Additional Options section. Here, you should see a place to add tags to your campaign. Tags are typically short keywords that describe the theme, audience, or initiative, such as promo, newsletter, or product launch. If your plan supports it, you can enter one or more tags to help with filtering and reporting later. If you click the tag field and Brevo prompts you to upgrade, that means tagging campaigns is restricted on your current plan. In that case, you'll see an upgrade option. Selecting that will guide you through plan details so you can decide whether you want to enable tagging. If you do have access, add your tags now, keep them consistent across your team, and avoid duplicates or misspellings to maintain clean reporting. A few quick tips as you work. Use a simple shared tag taxonomy so everyone labels campaigns the same way. Keep tags specific but brief, and limit the number of tags per campaign to what's truly useful for filtering. After you've added tags or reviewed the upgrade prompt, return to your campaign setup to continue building and scheduling as usual. That's all you need to know to locate and add tags in Brevo and to understand what to do if the feature requires an upgrade.